tell you what, I learned about this girl. I want you guys to know who this girl is. This is Bailey. We're just like chilling, but she is funny.
Funny looking.
Hilarious. You be funny.
You be funny.
Here.
You better play my favorite song by Taking Back Sunday, or else.
Okay, she gonna sing like nobody listening, so y'all just get ready.
I already lost my voice because I was singing this song the other night.
Yeah, I remember.
So were you gonna play it or not?
Well, it's in the house. I don't even know how to play it here. You gonna have to sing. I don't even have my phone with me.
It's on mine.
It's in
Play
your head,
it.
I don't know how to play it. If I could just push a button, I would. But you know what? You're the one that knows the song, and it's one of your favorite
I'm gonna
songs.
smoke the last hit of my cigarette.
Like I say, we're here to see exactly who Bailey is. She's a sweetheart. Oh yeah. And I can't help this. You got to see her hair. Oh my gosh, she got some curlies. They look good. She looks good. She acts like she don't care. And I'm pretty sure she's genuine about that. I
feel like I look like shit half the time, but I also don't care about that either. So
I ain't commenting on that, and I definitely gonna have to quit talking because I've talked way too much on this video. But look at that girl! Oh my gosh! Don't be chewing on me. Don't be chewing on that or anything. What is that depict that you might have like a little werewolf in you? Is that maybe? Oh, no.
What?
Yeah, she's a puppy werewolf. That's what that was.
What?
I don't know. Anyway,
I almost burped and farted at the same time.
Yeah, see how she is? She's like real. She don't care. She don't care.
I don't care.
You know, she dances like nobody's watching her dance too, and it's funny as shit.
But there's no music right now, and I really want to hear my favorite song by Taking Back Sunday.
You know what? I can give you some music. I can't just like pull that out of the thin air.
I thought we were gonna be able to play it on my phone.
I would have loved to. I got this.
You got it?
I got this.
Okay. He's got it apparently.
We're gonna rock this out.
It's not gonna be able to play it in my car because I don't have the cord.
It's not gonna be the one you want.
So 102.9 The Buzz. Woo! 102.9 The Buzz is my favorite station.
Mine too. Here we go.
Let's turn it up. I actually don't really like girl singers sometimes, but
wait till they kick in.
But you're much too close to me.
It's a little too slow for me.
Dr. Pepper Zero Sugar.
Oh, you're not gonna do that.
Gone.
This is perfect. We're gonna find all the stations with commercials. It's a celebrity swamp.
Down to a dance. Completely opposite of what I was really wanting to hear. I wanted to hear Taking Back Sunday. Oh, now it's on you, I think.
No, don't tell me that.
It was on you.
Oh my God.
It was totally on you.
Okay.
Tyra.
That was, you know what that was? That was a cameo. That's what that was.
I love Lightning 100 also.
Okay, that sounds like Lenny Kravitz. Oh, look out. Look out. We're in trouble now. My heart's beating hard. Quit that.
Alright, that's enough.
Anyway, I gotta say, Bailey's my friend. Peace, y'all.